If you're wondering how to import a CSV file into Xero, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step so that by the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to upload your data into Xero seamlessly. Stick around because I'll also show you a helpful tip towards the end that can save you time when dealing with large CSV files in Xero. Plus, you can get Xero for free with our exclusive bonuses, which I'll tell you about in just a moment. So let's jump straight into it. First off, make sure you're logged into your Xero account. Once you're in, head over to the Accounting tab in the top navigation bar, then click on Bank Accounts. This is where your financial transactions are going to sync and where you'll import your CSV file. Once you're on your bank account screen, look for the Manage Account option, which will give you the drop-down menu. Here, you'll find Import a Statement. Click on that. This is where you'll start the actual process of importing your CSV file into Xero. Now, you need to choose the CSV file that you want to upload. Make sure that your CSV file is formatted correctly. It needs to match the format that Xero expects. If it's a bank CSV, for instance, you should see columns like date, amount, description, and so on. If your file doesn't look like this, you may need to adjust it before continuing. Don't worry though, Xero will guide you with an easy-to-follow interface that will tell you exactly which columns need to be mapped. After you've selected your file, the system will walk you through the mapping process. If you're importing a bank statement, Xero automatically matches the columns in your CSV file with the correct fields in Xero. However, if there are any mismatches, you can manually map those columns, which is simple to do. Just click the drop-down next to each field, and you can select the corresponding Xero field. Once the mapping is done, hit Next and review your data. If everything looks good, click Approve. Xero will now import the CSV data into your bank account feed, and you'll see those transactions show up in your Xero account. From here, you can start reconciling your transactions against your accounts. A pro tip when importing CSV files into Xero. If you're dealing with a large CSV file or a lot of data, make sure to break it into smaller chunks before uploading. This can help avoid errors or delays, especially if the file is too large to process in one go. If you're using Xero for the first time, or if you want to get a deeper understanding of how to make the most of this software, be sure to check out the link in the description. You can get access to Xero for free with our exclusive trial, which also includes some bonus features you won't find elsewhere. That's right. By using the link below, you'll unlock a full trial and extra perks that will make your transition into Xero smoother. To wrap up, importing a CSV file into Xero is a straightforward process, but knowing these tips can really speed things up. Just remember to ensure your file is formatted correctly, map your columns accurately, and break larger files into smaller parts if necessary. And don't forget, by clicking the link in the description, you'll get a free extended trial and bonus features to make your Xero experience even better. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more Xero tips and business software insights.